Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You will start right away by confirming the device model and OS so you know where the option lives. Once done, make a quick home screen screenshot and unlock the phone with your main account. This prevents permission issues. Next, check and turn off screen pinning or kiosk modes because those can mimic a locked layout. Finally, open Settings and go straight to Home Screen or Launcher Settings, where the Layout Lock toggle usually appears so you can change. Now you will make the actual change in the launcher settings. Find and toggle off Lock Home Screen Layout or a similar entry. If you do not see it, go to Settings Apps Your Launcher, then Clear Cache and Clear Data. This often resets and force settings. Once cleared, reopen the launcher and check layout editing. If a third-party launcher is still locking you out, uninstall it or switch to the device default launcher so you regain full control. Complete the process by restarting the device so changes take full effect, then try editing the home screen. Add, move, and remove icons or widgets to verify it's unlocked. If items disappeared, use your screenshot as a guide and restore icons manually or use Settings, Reset App Preferences to recover defaults. If the layout remains locked, boot into safe mode to check for launcher conflicts. If that proves the issue, remove the offending app.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.